Absolutely. Let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing content creation in the creative industries, generating images, videos, and music. I in content creation. 1. AI-generated images. AI-powered tools use deep learning models to create realistic images from scratch or enhance existing ones. Key technologies include generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, working together to create realistic images. The generator produces images, while the discriminator evaluates their authenticity. Deep art. This tool applies artistic styles to photos, transforming them into works of art inspired by famous painters. DALL-E. Developed by OpenAI, DALL-E generates images from textual descriptions, allowing users to create unique visuals based on their imagination. Real-world use cases. Advertising. AI-generated images are used in marketing campaigns to create eye-catching visuals. Fashion. Designers use AI to create new clothing patterns and styles. Entertainment. AI generates concept art and character designs for movies and video games. 2. AI-generated videos. AI is transforming video production by automating tasks like editing, animation, and special effects. Deepfake. AI algorithms replace faces in videos, creating realistic but altered footage. While controversial, this technology showcases AI's potential in video manipulation. Synthesia. This platform uses AI to create synthetic videos with avatars, enabling businesses to produce videos without human actors. Runway ML. A tool that leverages machine learning to create and edit videos, offering features like real-time background removal and style transfer. Real-world use cases. Content creation. YouTubers and influencers use AI tools to streamline video editing and production. Film industry. AI assists in post-production tasks, including visual effects and color grading. Corporate training. Businesses use AI-generated videos to create engaging training materials. 3. AI-generated music. AI composes music by analyzing patterns in existing compositions and generating new pieces that mimic specific styles or genres. OpenAI's MuseNet. This tool can generate complex musical compositions with up to 10 different instruments and in various styles. Amper Music. A cloud-based AI tool that allows users to create custom music tracks by selecting mood, style, and tempo. Ava, artificial intelligence virtual artist, composes original music for various uses, from film scores to video game soundtracks. Real-world use cases. Music production. Artists and producers use AI to generate background tracks and assist in songwriting. Film scoring. AI composes scores for movies, reducing production time and costs. Gaming. Video game developers use AI-generated music to create dynamic and immersive soundtracks. Impact on creative industries. AI is revolutionizing creative industries by enhancing creativity, providing new tools and inspirations for artists, designers, and musicians. Increasing efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks, allowing creators to focus on more complex aspects of their work. Expanding accessibility. Enabling individuals with limited technical skills to produce high-quality content. Challenges and considerations. While AI offers immense potential, it also presents challenges such as ethical concerns. Issues like copyright infringement and the creation of deepfakes raise ethical questions. Quality control. Ensuring AI-generated content meets quality standards and aligns with creative visions. Job displacement. Concerns about AI replacing human roles in the creative process. By understanding and addressing these challenges, the creative industries can harness the power of AI to drive innovation and produce captivating content.